my kids are old enough to be watching Stranger Things with us, and I thought, wouldn't it be cool if I could perform the Stranger Things theme song on accordion and maybe even just understand the chords so I could perform it with my kids on glockenspiel and on bells and recorder and really understand the song. Let's give it a try. I'll listen to it. If you don't know the song, please pull it up. It's a wonderful theme song. I'm listening to the official Stranger Things theme song off of their YouTube channel. Let's have a listen, figure it out on accordion. So I'm trying to do a playback exercise where I'm listening for individual notes, and then based on the notes, what are the chord changes, if it does change chords, and then what are the chords themselves. I have a whole section on ear training. This is part science, part art, like lots of music. Let's listen to it again, and I'll try and underlay some chords to see what it's like. I'm hearing a C major. Are those the notes? Which is a C major 7? It's done on a synthesizer, right? What's the next chord? I believe that that's the first chord. I'm not going to play it fast. And then there's a go to. So are the two chords C major 7 to an E minor? Let's listen again. Sounds right. Just left hand. I think these are the two chords of the song. And obviously on the synthesizer, there's lots of filters. Are those? Is that what's being played? Is it just D, C, B? What can we do here? I'm hearing it as... Now, the fingering is going to be really interesting. The notes are whatever instrument you have. C, E, G, B, C, B, G, E. Right? It's a big stretch. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. And I believe it's going to go to an E minor. We can keep the same right hand, but the left hand switches to an E minor. And it might switch to an E minor chord on the right hand too. The reason I was saying fingering is important is because this is quite a stretch, right? If you have smaller hands, or if you just want to exercise, you could start with the second finger. That's how you do larger arpeggios. To perform this, lots of ways of arranging it on accordion. Obviously, a synthesizer would be ideal. We could start off with just right hand. Maybe a wider reed. Legato. Ideally, I would do this with a loop pedal or with other players as well. So maybe not on piano. What we could do is we could do 1, 2, 3, 4. It helps to play the right notes. 1, 2, 3. Lots of fun ways of building up the song. Anyways, those are the 2 chords, C major 7 to an E minor. In between there, you can walk down from the E to the C. You could also use the G, C, G, E. I'm not familiar enough with the song, but again, what a lovely arrangement of the Stranger Things theme song. You can make it into a waltz. And improvise using C major. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.